Indonesia, good morning the world. Today is a special day in Bali. We are thinking of God Siva. So everywhere in Bali is, there you go. The kids are showing it to you. Nice hat, nice costume, uniform. Amazing. But you gotta think of the kids that are still can't reach the schools, and that's what Mamula project will do. Is all the kids have the right to get into the school and have fun with other kids and do kid stuff. So start with like, share, subscribe to this channel, and like this video can go a long way. Help us to reach our phase 1 budget pledge and so on. You can receive all the information on mamulahood@gmail.com. Send us this email. What's going on here?
Nah, jadi ngasih. Ada bau mandi baru.
Apa adik?
Ya,
Kengkeng ke bari?
becek-becek.
Becek-becek?
Ya.
You guys haven't done your homework, right? Oh. Baca. Ayo baca. Keep an eye on these boys.
71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. Oke, aku naturalnya nih. Mawar kaya joko bapak na ibina. No.
I'm sorry I couldn't stay at the school because we've got the vet coming for one of the dog. She's been poisoned 1 month ago. She cannot recover from it. She's a bag of bone. You will see that later. But I wanted to show you something quite special to Bali, and it's their calendar. In Bali they have their own calendar. Special days means special things to do, like maybe planting trees or cutting trees or ceremonies or what else? Going to the doctor or anything like that, really. Today is the 15th, the one marked with the red circle, and it's Shiva day. Can you find me Lona? Where is Lona? Here? Mana Lona? We are all searching for Lona. She usually don't go out for the last 2 weeks, but she decided to go out this morning. I guess she heard that the vet's coming for her. Lona! Everybody's searching for Lona. You should too.
Aduh, Lona.
Lona. A real bag of bone. Let's hope for some good news soon. We're gonna do a perfusion. Let's see if it helps. Yeah. Yes. Can I help you?
Enggak sih, ada ketepulan sedikit
Di ininya belum ya, papa cuma dipegang aja udah teriak dia.
ya, sensitif dia. Dulu mungkin sakit pas dicabut-cabut dulu. Soalnya dia kan ada
Hey, come on, hey, come on, move, come on, hey, Lona, no, calm down, shh. Breathe. Come on. Shh. Breathe. Lona. Hello. Come on, girl. Come on. Breathe. Wake up. Come on. Wake up, Lona. Lona. Come on. Where are you, Lona? Lona, where are you? Come on. Lona. Hey. Don't leave me like that. Lona. Come on. Are you back? Breathe. Are you here? How's your brain? Lona? Come on, try to stand up. After the vet left, I came back in the room and she had the seizure. I don't know if the brain's still working like normal. She needs a little bit of time. Don't know what to say.